started another video, but it come to an abrupt stop because we ran into a yellow jacket's nest and a couple of my buddies got stung, and they were all inside my buggy, so we were trying to get out of Dodge, you know what I mean. I go to get out of my buggy, hit my arm on my handle. How come they call it the funny bone? Really? What's so funny about that bone hitting it? There ain't nothing funny, I can tell you now. But I'm laughing. I keep looking because every time I feel something, I think it's one of them yellow jackets. I'm not a fan of them, if you can only imagine. Guys, this is a heck of a trail we are on. We are still on the same motorcycle trail that we were on in the last, I think, 2 videos that I filmed. So it looks like we got an issue up here. I'm gonna hop out and see what's going on. Well, let's see what we got going on, because it doesn't look too good. We have actually been in this area that we're at right now years ago with our four-wheelers.
He's coming over there.
But the issue is we got to go down this and over that tree. Hang on just a second. It's gonna be a little tight squeeze there, old buddy.
What about right there?
Yeah, you can get down right there.
Hey, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna knock the tree down.
Well, sorry guys, I put my hand in front of him. Dan, are you having fun yet?
No. This is getting tense. This is getting tense.
We have been here. It's been years. We come here when we had our four-wheelers.
Really?
Yes.
I don't remember.
Yeah, we sure
I
did.
might not been with you.
We sure did. This ought to be fun. Hang tight. Let me go over the hill and see what we got. Well, we're gonna have to go down and around. See if I can point backwards. Right there. Got the old trusty Ryobi. That's a nice saw. 18 volt. Nice saw. You don't have to worry about carrying gas. Nice machine. And then we're going to come up right there. We're going to come up right there. I'm going to film this now because I don't think I'm going to be able to film it when I'm coming up it. Is that from adrenaline, you think? You're gonna have to hit it rolling on that one. you wouldn't have let off of it, you'd have made it, but yep. Right there. Ah. Well, it's winch time. It's just wound out.
Oh, now go out.
There you go. It'll pull now.
See what I got.
Is your winch not pulling?
It just quit.
Oh, you're kidding.
I'm going to extend it out. Unhook it. Where are you going? I'm going back down. I'm going to hit it.
Well, the winch wouldn't pull it up. I think something's wrong with Johnny's winch. That's a worn winch too. He's gonna make another hit at it. You're hitting in that same spot. Yeah, there you go. Now they're going to try to winch it since it's a shorter distance. Should have some more pulling power. John, you're in high. Good deal. One down, two to go. All right, well, see that hat right there? Popo Joe. All right, Dano's gonna give it a shot. John may have to get turned around because I don't think Dan has a winch on his machine. So I think John's gonna turn around so you can give him a little boost up that. That bank's pretty steep. Camera angles never show the exact angle. Actually, that bank right there up toward the top is pretty much straight up and down. So, hang on. You're next, Dano. He didn't hear me. We'll be right back.
Watch yourself. Here it comes.
Yeah, you're just gonna have to hit it or just keep going. There you go. And then stop. You gonna commit?
Get over that way if you can. That way a little bit. There you go.
Back on up there. That's good. Pin it to win it. Send it.
Hey, you're going to have to hammer it the whole way. High gear and hammer.
Yeah, you're going to have to hammer down on it, bro.
Oh.
That or we'll winch you, one of the two.
There you go.
Just stay right there if you're going to have him winch you.
Alright. You have a tendency to let off and get that hump.
Yeah, y'all got a real nice and sloppy for me now. How's that taste? She's greasy, brother. Try it on 3 wheels if you can't make it on 4. Hey, Dan.
No, the other way. The other way. You want to go between those 2 trees back there.
Straighten your, yeah, there you go. Keep your wheels straight.
On back. On back. Alright, now, don't let off on it.
Easier said than done, ain't it? Pin it to win it. All right, now just stop right there.
Ow.
There we go. Well, we found a different route. So, much easier route too. So, I'm headed up to get Pee Wee right now, and we're gonna bring her home. Boys, I can tell you right now, this is one heck of a trail. It has been years since we've been here, but we have been here. It's been a long time though. As they say, it's been a long time coming. Well, I think here we are. So, guys, thanks for watching the video. I'm not going to be able to video and come down through here like I have in the past, so stay tuned, brother. We got more videos coming today. Later.